Hello friends, welcome to my channel online learning website. Today we discuss the objective questions of non-metals and their compounds. Objective questions we prepare. The next question is question 80. Use of a diamond as a gem depends upon its. What is the right answer is 80 का B, that is refraction index. Use of a diamond as a gem depends upon its refraction index. The next question, question 81. Lead pencil contains. The right answer is 81 का C, that is graphite. Question 82. Poisonous gas present in the fumes of motor car is. The right answer is 82 का C, carbon monoxide. Next question, question 23. Synthetic gas is a mixture of. Synthetic gas of a mixture is D. Hydrogen and carbon monoxide. 84. Which of the fuel gases has composition by volume? 34% CH4 plus 48% H2 plus 50% O2 and plus 3% carbon monoxide. The right answer is 84 का C, that is coal gas. Next question. Activated charcoal is employed to remove coloring matter from pure substance it works by. The right answer is 85 ka D, that is absorption. Next question. Which one of the following forms of carbon is used in a sugar industry? The right answer is 86 ka, that is C, is the animal charcoal. Question 87. Question number 87. Which one of the following has a maximum calorific value? Which has the maximum calorific value? What is the right answer is 87 ka C, that is oil gas. Next question, question 88. Living in the atmosphere of carbon monoxide is a dances because it. The right answer is D, that is combines with hemoglobin and make it incapable of absorbing oxygen. Question 89. Which one of the following element is metalloid? The right answer is C, that is your germanium. Question 90. Which of the following carbide is known as a carbondrum? The right answer is 90 ka B, that is SiC. The next question. Phosgene is obtained by the reaction of carbon monoxide and the right answer is A, chlorine. Question 92. Carbon reacts with metal to form A, carbide. Question 93. Chemically, phosgene gas is B, that is carbonyl chloride. Question 94. Dry powder extinguishers contains. The right answer is 94 ka B, that is sand plus baking soda. Dry powder extinguisher contains sand plus baking soda. Question 95. Ordinary glass is. The right answer is C, calcium and sodium silicate. 96. Chief constituent of water glass is. Chief constituent of water glass is. The right answer is 96 ka B, that is sodium silicate. Question 97. Mars gas contains B, CH4. 98. Which variety of glass is used for the manufacture of optical glass? Is B, flint glass. Question 99. The process of slow and homogeneous cooling of glass is called. The right answer is B, annealing of glass. Question 100. The raw material used for the glass is. The right answer is A, that is sand, limestone or Na2CO3. Question 101. The composition of common glass is A, Na2O.CO.6SiO2. Question 102. The principal constituent of Pyrex glass is. The right answer is 102 ka D, that is B. Question 103. which is a pseudo solid, that is A, glass. The material used in a solar cell contains, the right answer is B, that is hard glass. Question 105. The superior type of laboratory apparatus are made of D, that is Pyrex glass. Question 106. The ultraviolet rays can be checked by B, Crew glass. Question 107. In manufacture of glass, the addition of manganese oxide gives in a manufacture of glass, the addition of manganese oxide gives, the right answer is D, that is pink color. Question 108. Germanium is an example of an intrinsic semiconductor. The important ore of lead is D, galena. Question 110. Red lead is D, that is Pb3O4. Pb3O4. Next question 111. Litharge is a chemically A, PbO. Next question. The structure of quartz, mica and asbestos have the common basic unit of, the right answer is D, SiO4 minus 4 minus. Next 113. An electrician solder is an alloy of C, Sn and Pb. Which of the following oxide is a neutral? A, that is carbon monoxide. 115. Percentage of lead in a lead principle is A, 0. Question 116. Element showing a maximum inert pair effect is C, that is Pb. Which of the following shows electrical conductance? The right answer is C, that is graphite. Question 118. Which of the following oxide is amorphic in nature? The right answer is C, SnO2. Formula of tear gas is C, Cl3NO3. Next question 120. Biogas and producer gas are made of D, all of them. Yani producer gas contains carbon monoxide but not carbon dioxide. Biogas contains carbon dioxide but producer gas does not, and both biogas and producer gas have N2. Next question 121. The electronic configuration of silicon is, the right answer is A, Ne3s2 3p2. Most impure form of carbon is D, wood charcoal. The oxidation number of carbon in CH2O is, the right answer is A, that is 0. Question 124. Which of the following is an important constituent of transistors? 124 का D, that is germanium. Which of the following shows electrical conduction? The right answer is C, that is graphite. Which of the following gases change lime water in milky color? The right answer is D, carbon dioxide. 157. Water gas is a mixture of, the right answer is B, that is carbon monoxide and H2. Question 128. The compound used as a refrigerant is, that is C, CCl2F2. 129. Which of the following is the second most abundant element in the earth crust? The right answer is A, that is silicon. 130. The basic structure unit in silicates is, the right answer is C, that is SiO4 4 minus ion. 131. Quartz is a crystalline variety of, the right answer is D, that is silica. Quartz is a crystalline variety of silica. 132. Ultra-silicon is prepared by the process of C, zone refining. Which of the following glass is used in making wind screen of automobile? That is D, safety. Stannous fluoride is formed by, the right answer is 134 ka D, that is SNO plus HF. 135. Lead dioxide is performed by, 135 का A, PbO plus KClO3. 136. Sugar of lead is 136 का C, that is PbCH3CO का whole twice. Next 137, the element of group fifth A are generally known as. The right answer is 137 का D, that is your Penigenous. 138, which one of the following elements does not exist as a tetraatomic? The right answer is 138 का A, that is N. Question number 139, the oxidation state of phosphorus varies from. The right answer is C, that is -3 to +5. Next question 140, which of the most metallic? The right answer is D, that is Bi. 141, which of the following undergoes sublimation? The right answer is A, that is your NH4Cl. Question 142, ammonia is a. The right answer is A, polar solvent. Question 143, nitrogen combines with metal to form nitrite. 144, animals dies in nitrogen's atmosphere because. The right answer is C, that is they want oxygen. 25, pure nitrogen is obtained from. D, that is NH4 whole twice Cr2O7. 146, which is not a fertilizer? That is C, sodium sulfate. Question 147, blasting of TNT is made by mixing. Blasting of TNT is made by mixing. The right answer is D, NH4NO3. Which of the following cannot be used as a nitrogenous fertilizer? The right answer is C, that is HNO3. Next, the nitrogen percentage is the highest in the fertilizer. The right answer is D, that is urea. 150, which one of the following is the strongest base? The right answer is D, that is NH3. Question 151, which one of the following is anhydrous of nitrous and? The right answer is B, that is N2O3. 152 का right answer is B, NO. 151 का है which one of the following is anhydrous of nitrous? The right answer is B, that is N2O3, or which gas is formed on lighting is NO. The next question 153, the chemical used for cooling in refrigeration is LaNH3. Next question, the catalyst used in manufacture of NO by Ostwald process is. The right answer is D, that is your AG. Question 155, atomic city of phosphorus is. Question 154, the catalyst used in the manufacture of NO by Ostwald process is PT. Atomicity of phosphorus is 4. Next, MO is used as a catalyst in the manufacture of B, that is NH3. 157, an important method for the fixation of nitrogen is A, Haber process. 158, the minerals elements which is essential in nitrogen fixation is C, that is your molybdenum. 159, aqua regia is a mixture of A, 3HCl plus HNO3. Next 160, nitrates of all metals are, that is 60 का D, soluble in water. Question 161, which one of the following is the most reactive? Right answer is A, that is white phosphorus. Next, phosphorus is kept in A, that is cold water. Question 163, which one is a good conductor of electricity is B, black phosphorus. The gas is commonly used in anesthesia is B, nitrous oxide. 165, the formula of white phosphorus is A, P4. 166, question 166, 165 का A, the basic city of orthophosphoric acid is 2. S3PO3 is H3PO3 is a diabasic. Question 168. Superphosphate of a lime contains. The right answer is D, that is CaS2PO4 का whole twice. 69. Mixture of used for the tips of match stick is. The right answer is 69 का C, that is K2Cr2O7 plus S plus white P. Next question 170. Red phosphorus is a less reactive than yellow phosphorus because. 170 का B, that is it is a highly polymerized. Next question. In the manufacture of safety matches, we use. The right answer is 171 का D, that is red phosphorus. And the next question. In the reaction of N2 plus 3S2 reversible reaction 2NH3, the catalyst used as a. B, Fe and MO. Next question. Which of the following is an excellent conductor of heat and electricity? That is your C, bismuth. The conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into the compounds is called. C, nitrogen fixation. Next question. In the manufacture